Okay guys, so what we got here, this is the new survival guide that I bought at the book fair. Now let's see what's in here now. So come on guys, let's see. So look, oh yeah, look what we got here, bro. So look what we got here, bro. This is it. This is the jackpot. It's technically all this stuff. So now, so now we're gonna like. So now we're just gonna like see. Okay, so here's what we got. We got this. All this stuff. Now let's see what we got here.
Let's see what this guy is finna get. Where he gets the time caps. Where he gets the stickers. Where he get this thing. Where he get this. Where he get all of that. Or would he get that? I really want that.
Crap. A doodle-doo.
Why do people put tape on stuff? Am I right?
Because they
put a
can't
comment down below
no.
and say why people put on tape.
It's my video.
By the way, I'm Savage Dog. If you guys haven't watched my videos yet, I really want that. Could I please have that? No. Could I have this?
I need that, bro.
Caution tape. It's caution tape.
I need it.
But I'm Nikki.
Huh?
But I'm Nikki.
Huh?
Nikki.
You're Nikki?
Yeah, you remember me put caution tape? I need this, bro.
No.
I need this, you guys.
Sure. So what we got here? Wait, can we open this?
No. Might. Can you see me?
Oh, so it's a pen too. That's what we got. Then this chain that's strangled.
Big head.
Shut up before I smack you.
Smack this gang.
Oh, you said smack him?
No. No. I am the gang. So.
Okay, guys. Let's see. I got it on. Okay, so we got the chain. We got this pen. Compass pen.
I don't think it's a pen.
Yes, it is.
Nah, I think it's a pen. He will poke you with it when he finds you.
No.
He'll find you.
Okay, so these look like weird tickets.
Yeah, because they are.
It says Team No.
I got.
No. And it says. So we got these ticket things, as you can see here. Then we got.
And I got
this.
I got a sneak peek at it before you even got to see it. So yeah.
Oh yeah, we got caution tape too.
We got caution tape.
Caution tape. Great.
Caution tape. By the way, I need that chain. Guess what? I'm gonna be in one of my other videos, so you guys gonna see what I got from the book fair, and let's see what we get. And today we can't post it. We just gotta wait until tomorrow. The internet, man. So
wait, what the toxic bio?
Oh, this is what the kid got. Let's see. He got a lot of stickers right there. He might give me a little. He might give me some because I gave him some stickers on my birthday.
Exactly, the Ninja Turtles. Well, him! Son, you earned it. Crap.
Who, me?
You earned it!
I earned this, baby.
Then we got these stickers.
Yep.
And then now let's put it all back in the box. Wait.
Exactly.
Wait, I gotta pause this.